What would you do with an extra $1,300? Did you know that the IRS says at least 9 million college students miss hundreds of millions of dollars in tax refunds each year? Many undergrad college students and recent graduates miss an average of $1,300 on their taxes, especially if they received scholarships or grants. Why do millions of students miss tax refunds? Most accountants believe students with scholarships, such as Pell Grants, can't claim education tax credits. However, according to IRS regulations, if students choose to report some of their financial aid as income on their taxes, then they or their parents can claim education credits. If it sounds simple, beware. The IRS says the process for claiming education-related tax credits is unusually complex. The laws are summarized in a 100-page IRS publication. Students who do it wrong owe more tax. Most accountants do it wrong without knowing it because they don't specialize in student taxes. You can't expect your uncle, the auditor CPA, or your mom, the business tax accountant, to know the unusually complex tax rules for students. And if you used free tax software to prepare your taxes, you almost certainly missed money for at least one of the past 3 years. Oops! Looks like your free software actually cost you $1,300. Ouch! Thankfully, students and parents can amend their taxes up to 3 years back to claim the refund money they missed. Introducing College Tax Refunds. The first company started solely to help students get the money they missed on old taxes. They offer a free refund calculator at collegetaxrefunds.com that tells you in about 3 minutes how much money you missed. No self-identifying information required. Just enter some numbers from your tax forms to get a free instant quote. Finding out how much you missed is a no-brainer. If you like your quote, you can hire College Tax Refunds to prepare an amended tax return to claim the money you missed. They already have helped thousands of students claim millions of dollars in missed tax refunds, and they guarantee their work. Sound too good to be true? Just remember, the IRS has acknowledged millions of students are missing hundreds of millions in refunds. You really can get an extra $1,300 back from your old tax returns. Perhaps you're thinking, Pell Grants and scholarships paid for most of my college. Could there be more money for me? Yes, you may have missed money, even if you were paid to go to school. Your scholarships and grants were more than your tuition. Hired a CPA or trustworthy relative to prepare your taxes. Used TurboTax or H&R Block online. Received a huge tax refund already. Didn't pay or owe any tax. Or got all your taxes back. So what's the catch? No catch, just cash. But you have to claim it first. The best part is, you pay nothing until after you get your extra tax refund. And then the cost is just a small fraction of the extra money you get. If they can't get you more money, there's no cost. So if you know a college student or recent grad who wants an extra $1,300, send them to collegetaxrefunds.com to get a free quote today.